Hey everyone, welcome to new releases for today. There are 3 new kits in the shop and we're gonna get into all of these because I really love all of these kits. Honestly, I couldn't decide as to which one to bring out for this weekend, so I just did all 3 and now I have more work for myself because one of these was supposed to be for $2 Tuesday and now it's not. But I think I'm gonna do doodles for $2 Tuesday, so just as an FYI, and then maybe some other things, maybe some functional, so stay tuned. So the first kit we have is the Lavender Kit. I honestly love the colors in this kit. I actually have been wanting to do a lavender kit for a really long time and I just never have had the time to do it. Here's a closer look at the full boxes and here's the other part of those full boxes. I added a picture to the phone because normally those are blank and they're meant to be like, you know, mock-ups and stuff. So yeah, I added a background to it. Next page we have is the icons and script stickers, all of like, you know, your bits and pieces that you need for, you know, planning. Then we have the checklist and of course all of the functional boxes with all of your boxes that you need. And then your deco sheets. So these are in the deluxe kit, but you can also grab them a la carte if you need them. And it's just a fun sheet to use to layer. And then lastly, we have all of the washi. So here's a closer look at that washi and then the date headers. Plus, you know, you have a little bit of some canceled stickers and some flags. So that is the Lavender Kit. Next, we have the Wildflower Kit. So this is just pure green and wildflowers. I wanted a green kit, you know, with flowers and greenery, and I have another one in mind that I wanted to do, but I really like the colors in this one. Most of it is green, as you guys can see, with a touch of pink. So yeah, we have a whole bunch of flowers and wildflowers and, you know, secret passageways and everything. So here's a closer look at that. And then we have the, you know, your functional icon sheet. I kind of did the pink more of a touch of pink versus, you know, an overly pink. And then we have you know, your checklist and the functional boxes. Then we have the deco sheet, you know, with your flags and your extra sidebar stickers, plus these like boxes here. So there's just a mix of everything. And then lastly is the washi and date header sheet. Here's a closer look at that, and here is the date headers. Yeah, so I really love how serene this kit is. So that is the Wildflowers kit. And then lastly we have the pink tea kit, and this is just a pure pink tea. I really wanted a tea party type of kit. This is it for at least now, and I really wish I had some macarons right now because I really wanted some. So here's a closer look at the boxes and everything. So it's really just a perfect, like, as if you're gonna go have some tea and things. And in the next page we have the functional icons and, you know, script stickers, your checklists, and they're all pink, by the way, because, you know, it's a pink tea. Then we have all of the boxes to label and stuff, your deco sheet as well, and then lastly your washi and date headers. So I did use the same background to match with the bigger washi and the date headers. I just really liked the way that pink was like settled. But yeah, that is the pink tea kit. So all of these kits are in the shop now. Go grab them if you would like. I will link them down in the description. Make sure you subscribe to keep up with all the new releases released in the shop. But that's it for today. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Check down. There should be a sale for Easter if you are watching. Check the description for the details. I'll post them there. But that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye everyone.